For 16 years, Spirit Energy has been installing solar and battery systems locally within about 2 hours of Reading. We've done absolutely everything in-house with our own installers, designers, project managers and support team. However, over the past year, we've been trialling a solution which enables us to offer our design and installation experience across the whole of the UK through a network of contractual relationships with local expert solar technicians. As of today, we're now installing anywhere in the UK. And in this video, I'm going to explain all about how our new service works and how we're ensuring that there's no compromise on the thing that matters most, the quality. I'm also going to take you round this installation and show you a live case study of our new nationwide service in action. And I'll talk a bit about how we use the customer's annual electricity usage to work out the optimal size of solar and battery system to ensure that they get the best payback period possible. So when the idea of offering a national service was first raised internally, the first thought in my mind and the minds of everyone else in the room was one thing: reputation. Reputation is the most important thing in business, and especially in this industry. Solar is often one of the top 3 most expensive purchases that people ever make, and that's why it's not only paramount to ensure the system is bespokely designed to maximise the return you can get from your roof space, but also to ensure that the chosen installer is absolutely trustworthy and that they're going to be there for the long run to provide technical support and uphold the installation. That's why we're so proud of our own reputation and the fact that our reviews are not just 1 or 2 lines long, but real detailed, lengthy testimonials about the quality and integrity of our service. So my number one concern was, how do we ensure that our own standards don't waver when we're not the ones doing the installation? And that question has really driven everything about how we've approached this. We haven't rushed anything. We've spent a year trialling the model, personally vetting every installer we work with, and being prepared to walk away from inquiries that we couldn't serve to our standard. We'd rather tell someone we can't help them than do a job we're not proud of. So how does our new national service actually work? Well, the only thing that changes with our nationwide service is that the survey and the installation is carried out by a local technician rather than one of the in-house installers on the Spirit Energy payroll. That's it. Everything else is identical. Spirit Energy still designs and specifies the whole system. It's still our 16 years of design knowledge and experience behind every decision. We still supply the panels, the batteries, and the other key components. Your contract is still directly with us, and the installation is still carried out to our standards by local technicians. We don't work with many of them, deliberately. Again, we'd rather turn down work than hand a job to someone we're not completely confident in. Now, one thing worth clarifying: if you're within 2 hours of Reading, you'll still get our own in-house teams. Nothing changes for you at all. The nationwide model, where the installation is carried out by a local technician instead of one of our installers on our payroll, applies to anyone beyond that 2-hour radius. So wherever you are in the UK, the experience of working with Spirit Energy should feel exactly the same. Something I also want to talk about is the long-term support. And again, here nothing is changing. Once the installation is complete, you're still calling Spirit Energy directly for any support. We have a dedicated full-time in-house support team whose entire job is looking after our customers, whether the warranty is still valid or not. If we installed your system in 2010 and you call us up today, we'll still answer on the first ring and we'll still give you the same level of service that we'd give someone whose installation was last month. And on the subject of warranty, if your installation is carried out under this nationwide model, then your warranty is still directly with us. So in terms of who you have a relationship with, who you call, and who's accountable for the project, that's still Spirit Energy, all the way throughout. So let me talk you through this project that we're doing in Peterborough. We've got 44 panels spread across 3 different south, west and east facing roof spaces, which means that the system will provide a nice even spread of generation across the day. Something we specified is putting all the panels to one side of the roof, so it's easy to add more on later, not plonked in the middle, which is an inefficient use of space and shoots you in the foot when you expand the system further down the line. And I'll come on to how we designed the system and worked out the best number of panels in a second. The two Tesla Powerwall 3s are going on the back wall, and the gateway is internal next to the incoming supply. The Powerwalls are going to store excess solar generation and charge up overnight from the off-peak rate to save as much money as possible. And Tesla has an excellent algorithm which looks at the weather forecast for the next 24 hours, alongside a forecast for the house's electricity consumption and a load of other factors, and then works out when to charge and discharge energy to save as much money as possible. Then finally, the two Tesla wall connectors are in the garage. Now, this client got in touch with us after getting a heat pump installed. His primary motivation for getting solar and battery is to save money on his electricity bill while still achieving an attractive rate of return. So the first thing we did when starting to design the system was model for his electricity consumption over the next year, and then use that to work out a target figure for how much generation we want to be achieving from the solar on the roof. Now, with most residential roofs, the roof space is the limiting factor. And if you have a high electricity usage, like this house, then you want to max out the space and get as much generation as possible. But actually, in this case, we've got so much available roof space that we were able to work out exactly how many panels we want to install and then decide where to put those panels. The battery storage, being two Tesla Powerwall 3s, is actually slightly undersized for the house's electricity consumption. However, our approach when a customer's motivation is to maximise the rate of return they're getting from their solar investment is to make sure that we don't oversize the batteries, while making sure that it's really easy to add more storage on later down the line. Battery storage is expensive, so you need to make sure that every part of the battery is being used, and ideally fully cycling at least once per day. If it's not, then you've paid for something which is just sitting there and not being used optimally. So we'll usually undersize the system and then a year later review the real world data with the customer and decide whether to add more storage on or not. And then obviously we install the system in such a way that we can just turn up and add more on easily, so there's not much cost to adding more storage on down the line if the data shows it's a prudent investment. Solar and battery is a 15 to 25 year investment. You don't need to go all in at once. You can install a safe, sensible system and then expand it further down the line with actual data to back up your investment decision. In terms of what this system is expected to deliver, it's forecast to save over £3,100 on electricity bills in the first year and bring in an additional £1,800 in export payments through the Octopus Go tariff. That's over £4,900 in year one. And because we've deliberately designed it to be expandable, if the data shows the battery is working hard enough to justify more storage, then the client can add capacity without a major reinvestment. So again, this client came to us for the installation. We worked out the optimal system spec and the best type of panel for his roof space, as well as the best battery size. We designed the system, and then the technical and structural survey has been carried out by a local technician that's been vetted by us. And when the installation is complete, all the handover, warranty and ongoing support is the responsibility of Spirit Energy. So no matter where you are in the UK, if you're thinking about solar and battery, please do get in touch with us and we'll design a bespoke solar and battery system around your roof, your electricity consumption and your goals. And we'll also give you a detailed financial model so you know exactly what to expect in terms of an annual return from the investment. And if you want to see more of what goes into a Spirit Energy installation from start to finish, please do check out our case study video series, Sam's Solar Journey. This video series runs through an entire project from the initial inquiry to the design, shade modeling, survey, project management, and the installation and handover, so you can see exactly what working with us looks like. Thanks for watching.